Here's a look at a veranda room on the Destiny. Keep in mind, this is a maiden voyage, so we have some goodies provided to us, which is really cool. And you can see the blanket there. It says the Destiny on it, which is really nice. And the artwork on the headboard is Mulan. That's really cool. We got a bed there. USB-C chargers and your plugs at each end. In the living room area, nice Mulan artwork there. Looks like this is a pull-out couch. If we look here, this is merch that myself and Jeff ordered ahead of time. And more swag. Looks like we get some free glasses for the maiden voyage. And if you look here, that's the fridge. That's really cool. You know, you got some drawers, your hair dryer, door for an adjoining room. I like that this adjoining door is near the veranda. It's usually towards the front of the door. It's nice. Another piece of artwork. The veranda, which I'll show you in a minute. Oh, look at this. I like this for storage. Holy cow. That's nice, doesn't take much room at all. Another thing I want to point out is up here is a pull-out bed. You just have to ask and they'll unlock it and bring it down. TV. Some more corner storage. And if you need to hang up dresses, nice shirts, that's the place you want it to be. And here's where you'll find our life jackets, our safe, laundry bag, and more storage. I'll say the one thing I am noticing is these rooms have more storage. All right, let's check out the bathroom. So here's the bathroom. The toilet. Some shelving there. So one person can get ready in here. Pretty standard. And then if we take a look at the shower, here's the shower here. And with another sink. And look at all these nice towels. I want to show some other details here. So look at the details on this pillowcase. Hopefully you can see the Mickeys. And look at that kind of gold beige design around it. And then even around the lampshade. That is really cool. And here's another look at that wall art over the bed. Now we're going to check out the veranda. Here's the two seats, table, pretty standard veranda, and we're right below one of those emergency subs or boats or whatever you want to call it. But I am liking this room. It's really, really nice. And then there's the design on the chairs. I hope you liked this room tour. I hope it answers questions. You can see what the rooms look like, especially a veranda room. If you want to see more of this content or you want to see what else we have, like this video, share it out, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, Until next time, we'll see you real soon. Bye.